If you've been trying Temu coupon codes in 2026 and most of them don't work or give almost no discount, you're not the problem. Most codes online are either expired or used the wrong way. So in this video, I'll show you how to use a working Temu coupon code properly and how to actually get the best discount right now. Before we go further, the latest working Temu coupon code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment along with backup codes in case this one stops working. Part 1. Why working codes still fail. Let's clear this first. Even a valid code can fail because Temu coupon codes are time-limited, account-based, promotion-dependent. That's why one user gets a big discount, another gets nothing. The real problem, most people do this: open Temu, add items to cart, apply the code at checkout, and expect maximum savings. But by then, you've already limited the result, the mistake that costs you discounts. If you apply the code too late, you only get basic savings, you miss active promotions, and you don't unlock extra offers. That's why it feels like codes don't work. Part 2. The working method, 2026. Here's what actually works right now. Step 1. Enter through the offer. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects your session to the current promotion. Step 2. Apply the code immediately. As soon as you enter, apply the coupon code shown on screen. This activates the full benefit. Step 3. Explore inside the system. Now browse inside Temu. You may start seeing better discounts, bundle deals, reward-based offers. Step 4. Follow the offers. Temu will guide you through deals, bundles, limited time promotions. This is where extra savings come from. What you can expect. Let's keep it real. Codes do work when used correctly. Discounts can be higher than usual. Extra offers may appear. Not all codes work for all users. Some codes expire quickly. Results can vary. Final takeaway: if your Temu coupon code didn't work before, it's not always the code, it's when and how you used it. Apply it early, enter the system properly, and you'll see the difference immediately. Try it now and comment what discount you got. Small, big, or nothing.